Welcome back to Wear Wigs with me. Today's video is all about how I put on my fake eyelashes for my wig reviews. So let's get started. I have all my makeup on except for my eyelashes and my eyebrows. And so in this video, I'm going to show you how I put on my fake eyelashes. And then in a follow-up video, I'm going to show you how I do my eyebrows. The first thing is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need a set of fake eyelashes, you're gonna need glue, and you're gonna need some tweezers. The first eyelashes I ever used were the Kiss brand that I got off Amazon in like a 10-pack, super cheap, and they're good. And honestly, if that's all you ever use, they're great eyelashes. But I think they are a really good starter lash as well because they're a little bit thicker and movable and just like easier to put on. Also, they're not that expensive. So if you tear one or mess one up, you're not gonna feel so nervous about it because they didn't cost you that much. I'll put them in my Amazon storefront if you want to check out the Kiss brand. The other thing you're gonna need is glue. And I use the Duo, the dark colored one, because it just kind of looks like eyeliner. And it's the only brand I've ever used and I've never had any irritation. And I've been wearing fake eyelashes for as long as I've been doing wig reviews, so 3 years. I only wear them for wig reviews, which is once or twice a month I put them on. So it's not like I'm putting them on every day. Once or twice a month, I put glue on, put eyelashes on, but I've never had any issues. The third thing you're gonna need is a pair of tweezers, or a lot of times with fake eyelashes, you get like these little clip things that kind of makes it easier, or they, not clip things, they look like tweezers, but they're shaped like for putting on fake eyelashes. You can always use those too. Okay, let's get into how I put these on. Now, you guys, I am not a beauty expert, especially not making videos, so let's see how this goes. We're gonna do this together. Okay, in that little snapshot, you saw that I use Inky Minky, and this one is Daddy's Girl. And I reuse these lashes. I don't know how long you're supposed to reuse them for. Honestly, I reuse them until I end up tearing one. But like I said, I only put them on a couple times a month. So first thing you're gonna do is put the glue on the little ledge of the lash. Whoa. So it kind of spurts out and like, I'll get like too much on there and then I kind of use the tip of the glue bottle to spread it out. Oh man, I got way too much. Okay, so if you get way too much, it's not a big deal. You just wipe it off. I mean, you just want enough glue on there to stick on. Yeah, hopefully you guys can see that. And then everybody always says you need to wait for it to kind of get tacky. More experienced people will probably start putting glue on the next lash and let this one sit and dry for a little bit, but hopefully I got enough on there. I may have wiped too much off now. My glue seemed kind of watery, probably because I haven't used it for a while. Let's see if I can do this again. Okay, I think I just like wiped too much off the first time. Experienced watchers are probably like, no wonder that girl never wears them. She makes it pretty hard to put them on. So just blow on it a little bit. I just use my fingers. I think a lot of people use tweezers or the little tweezer things that come with it. I never have good luck with that. I just use my fingers. And what I do is I start, I also think you're supposed to start on the outside. I start on the inside. I kind of just lay it on top of my lashes and then press it up against my skin. So let's see if I can do this on camera. I'm gonna try to get a mirror going on the other side here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so I just kind of lay it. And then the glue is supposed to be tacky, but I mean, I also kind of like to feel it. Okay. Now, this does work better, obviously, when you are closer to a mirror. But also, when I first started, I always was looking down. Like, I would put my mirror on the counter, so I was looking down on it. Okay, I got it. I can't believe I got it. That's all there is to it. The tweezers are there too. If I'm having a hard time, usually the corner has a hard time sticking, like just to press it down. Like when I was learning how to wear them, they would say like, take your tweezers and kind of press your natural eyelash to your fake eyelash. I never do that. And it honestly doesn't seem to be a big deal. Again, I only wear eyelashes for my wig reviews, so I'm not wearing them like all day or anything. As soon as I'm done shooting a wig review, these things get peeled right off. Now I take the next one. Okay, so I've got it on there. And I mean, that's a pretty good amount. So I'm just gonna let that dry for a little bit. Put the lid back on, put stuff away. Because if you put it on when it's too wet, and like if you have this much on, I might try to just kind of dab at the front and back a little bit because it got a little bit too much. But if you try to put it on when it's all wet like this, it's just gonna like slide around and just like you could get glue where you don't want it, and just let it dry a little bit. Just needs to be like a tacky so that when you put it on it sticks, and still movable a little bit though. So like I don't want it too tacky. I need to be able to move it. Okay, let's see if I can do this one. Oh, look at this. This one I start on the outer corner. Huh. So it's probably just depends on what I am doing. Okay, so just lay it up there, and then like I can feel the glue, so and just like press it down just real gently. And if you just kind of sit there for a minute, like the glue will help set it in. You don't want to see eyelid though. So you really want to get it as close to your lashes as you can. And see, I can tell I had too much glue on it and that it was still kind of wet, because as I like pressed on it, the glue was actually sticking to my finger a little bit and bringing it back up. Okay, so I did it. I did it on camera. There you have it. That's all it takes. Okay, I hope that was helpful. These are great lashes. Inky Minky are super great lashes. They last a really long time. They do last longer than the Kiss ones. They're a little bit more pricey, but I'll put a link down to the Inky Minky site. They don't know anything about me. I'm not like sponsored or get anything from it, but they're really great lashes, and they're pretty much all I wear now. And this Daddy's Girl one is one of my favorite. I can't remember the names, but I'll put some links down to the ones that I directly like to wear, so you guys can try some different ones. Okay, if you have any questions, or if you have any shortcuts or better glue or lashes that you think that we all should try, drop it down in the comments and let us know. Like I said, I am not an expert on lashes, but I think these kind of videos are helpful. You can see how different people put on eyelashes, and it's really not hard. And it doesn't feel like anything on my eyes now. I don't feel them at all. They're super light, and I feel like they're pretty natural looking, but they're not like the super glam, like, you know, in your face eyelashes. That's one reason I really like this style and this brand. Okay guys, I will see you in my next video.